Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to I.em Car channel. It's me Carl. Today it's my wash day and it's time for my big hair to get the protein recharge. Since it's quarantine, I'm just gonna grab anything that I have in my kitchen. Let's see what do I have here. I have coconut milk to add shine and promote hair growth. Next I have banana, helps to restore and strengthen weak, dry, brittle hair. Olive oil has its own benefit to moisture, strengthen and polish the hair shaft to leave it shine, and aloe vera to help smoothing the scalp and combat frizz. Now I have my banana cut into pieces, half cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of aloe vera juice, a 4th cup of olive oil. I also have my ketchup bottle as my applicator so that it won't be such a mess, but it's alright if you don't have it. Now let's mix and blend everything together.